Welcome to this quick tutorial. Today, I'll show you how to change the voice search language in the YouTube app. This simple setting can help improve your voice search experience by allowing you to select the language you prefer. Let's get started step by step. First, open the YouTube app on your device. Next, look for the three-dot menu icon located at the top right corner of the screen and tap it. Then select Settings from the drop-down menu. After that, tap on General to open the General Settings section. Now, scroll down until you find the Voice Search Language option. Tap on Voice Search Language and choose the language you want from the list. Finally, exit the settings. Your voice search language is now updated and ready to use. Thank you for watching this tutorial on changing the voice search language in YouTube. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe for more easy tech tips. See you in the next video.